Hi everyone, it's Deb. So I'm back with another project share for the BeeBeeCraft YouTube program. I have one more I'm going to do, so that'll be actually 4 videos for them. What I decided to do is use these turquoise 8mm beads. I have 2 left after this and after yesterday's project, or not yesterday, a couple days ago's project. That if you didn't see, I'm going to link that video at the end. So I decided just to make a more simple necklace, but my inspiration was actually these beads, which were not from BeeBeeCraft. Those were from a Michael's store in Texas from 2015 when I was on travel. And I have one more left. They came on a strand of 7. They're called reconstituted stone. It says flower, but they're actually butterflies. And so I actually managed to find one that actually had a butterfly kind of going up and down straight, and then the other ones are at angles, so they are at different positions. If you, like, that one would be upside down if you flip it over, but the others are not. So I made a simple strung necklace, and that is on medium turquoise soft flex wire. Excuse me, that was a closeout. They do still have a 49 strand turquoise as far as I know, but this was not that. This was a big roll I got in a closeout deal. Anyway, also the lobster clasp on here and on the bracelet were a BeeBeeCraft item I bought in 2021. I bought them. They were not part of this YouTube program, and I think I actually used the sort of antique silver color, not hematite, but like a darker silver color instead of this bright. And then I used a closed jump ring on both to latch onto. Those I got from Beading. Okay, so these are all the turquoise beads, which were BeeBeeCraft through this YouTube program. Thank you, BeeBeeCraft. These are actually ruby Swarovski 6mm crystals. I don't remember where I got them from. I don't think it was the store I usually get them from. And then I made these little bead dangles on the stainless steel ball head pins that I did get through the YouTube program. They came in gold and stainless steel, so it's like a gold color coating on the stainless steel for the gold ones, but I used this stainless steel. And then these little crystal butterflies I had gotten from Fire Mountain. They're Swarovski, and they came in a pack of 6, 8, and 10mm. This is the 10, and this one actually has like a silver-ish back, but it is like that jonquil yellow kind of color to it, which I thought brought out the yellow, and then the ruby brought out the reds in the butterfly. And I used some 20 gauge German style round wire. I think Beading is the brand, and just made my own bail and a bigger loop at the bottom here to hold these. And these I did sort of asymmetrical, and when it lays with the butterfly on top of them. So I really like it. It is about an 18.5 inch necklace, which is just right for my neck, and then this would dangle down below that. So that's the necklace, and then the bracelet is about a 7.5 inch. I again used 3, and you see these flip over sometimes, but I liked how that lays, like the butterflies are going different directions. And again, I found one that's, when the string went through this way, it laid straight up and down. Now I just did 1 and 1. I played around with the quantities. First I had like 3 turquoise here, and then 2, and then 1, and it was too long. And also these didn't lay right on your wrist. Like this, I have a smaller wrist than this, so this is going to go right over. I don't even have to unlatch it. I have a 6 3/4 inch, and you can see it's probably 7.5 to 7 3/4. And that's how those lay on your wrist. And then this has a dangle also. I did it the same way as far as the closure. It's got the 8mm little jonquil yellow butterfly. Oh, and little 3mm ruby bicones. See, I had them out since one of the jewelry challenges I did on the 15th, and also I used another 2 of the ball head pins from the kit, and I did wire wrap them. Now I will say that stainless steel is hard, and it's hard to wire wrap if you have difficulties with your hand. It might be better just to do regular loops. And then lastly, I did a pair of earrings anyway for this, and they're just simple. I used stainless steel ear wires, stainless steel ball head pins from BeeBeeCraft here, and the turquoise is from BeeBeeCraft. Now I did use an eye pin that's silver plated. In between it's a little bit brighter silver than the stainless, but it's okay. And then the Swarovski Austrian crystal in 6mm bicones and 3mm in ruby to go with these. Now let me see, are they the same size? Yeah, they're also 8mm butterflies. There's some even tinier in the pack than those. So that is my second make. I'm not going to do a tutorial on it because it's simple stringing. You've seen it before. This is simple stringing with a couple bead dangles on it. Nothing oh, and I did add them onto the closed jump ring with an oval jump ring so that hopefully they'll stay on there. And I think that's it for this video. So thank you. And also there's a discount coupon code down below. I think it's good for till 2024 or something. So if you are interested in getting anything from BeeBeeCraft, or use that discount code, or you can also request to sign up on their YouTube program, and there's probably information on their website about that. I was contacted by them and asked to do it on this channel versus my other channel, since I wanted jewelry supplies. So anyway, that's it. I have one more video, like I said, and I'll probably post that in a couple days. And then I have some other jewelry videos coming up soon too. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Come back to my channel and watch. I don't know. I think 1 or 2 will be short tutorials, and then the rest project shares. So anyway, take care. Have a great day and have a great weekend if I don't talk to you before then. Bye.